hours of cricket today. है ना? We started in the afternoon and it's the next day morning, so fantastic. Want to congratulate the winners. I think Vivid Chargers, you guys have been fantastic throughout the tournament.
ऐक ना
You have
नाही आता
literally
इथं
been the
रेकॉर्ड
team to
होणार
beat. I have been a spectator, I have been an umpire, and finally I was your opponent. And I have nothing but admiration for how meticulously you guys just go about your
हे बघ
business. You know, there's no
काय करायचं माहिती आहे का हा
unnecessary
खालचा बटन आहे ना
show of
हा डाऊनचा बटन
emotions.
दाबायचा म्हणजे हा चालू
There's
होतो
no
हा बंद होतो
unnecessary
ओके
chatter. You'll
फक्त
just
हा
go and get
खालचं
your
दाबायचं
job done. And
ओके
for
डाऊन
that, I
दाबायचं
would like to
तो दाब
credit Kazim Bhai, who's not here right now,
डाऊन
because
दाबून
he's
सोडून
the
द्यायचं
one who put
खालचा
you
दाब
guys together. And of
नाही
course,
सध्या बोल ना
the
बंद
guy who bankrolled everything, which is
हां
Avi Mittal.
हा पहिला हा सेकंड
You know, normally when the title sponsor wins the title, it's a bit of a conflict of interest. But I think the proof now exists on YouTube that you guys were worthy champions, and I don't think any of the other 14 teams can disagree with us. So first, we'd like to present the Man of the Match award for the finals, and I think the unanimous choice, the way you guys bowled and restricted us to like a paltry score of 11, would be Pratham. So can we please have you up over here for a fantastic performance? Tanya, just take some pictures. Huh? Yeah. So, मेरे भाई, it's a little man of the match. I don't know if you're a sneakerhead or not, but this is a little man of the match award for you with some goodies from Sneaker. Suppose. So, ये एक 6-in-1 shoe के kit है. Yeah. Here you go. Tanya. Yeah. आपके एक्चुअली दो है बट आई थिंक आपके डायरेक्शन में और भी गिफ्ट्स आने वाले सो दिस इज डन मुझे पता है कि यू प्ले अ लॉट ऑफ क्रिकेट समटाइम्स डे नाइट क्रिकेट लॉट ऑफ क्रिकेट इन द सन एंड ऑल्सो न्यूट्रिजिना वाज काइंड इनफ टू send us some stuff so this is also for you you can have a look hopefully you enjoy these goodies and Fab was kind enough to send us some protein snacks and shakes and stuff because you got to keep the protein level high so you can keep dismantling different oppositions. So congratulations. Would you like to say a few words? How was your experience over here? Maza aaya? I know you're very sleep deprived, but well, it's a great way to start the new week. So what would you like to say?
मैं ज़्यादा नहीं बोलूँगा मज़ा आया टूर्नामेंट अच्छा ऑर्गेनाइज था बस थैंक यू
मजा आया ना बस अगले साल आओगे ना
डन 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 डन
चलो for the women of the series, I think this was a very, very interesting tournament because we had many of our girls playing for multiple teams, so they were in a way freelancing agents. They didn't play for any one team, but I think one name stands head and shoulders above everybody else for the way she bowled, she batted, she did kung fu by kicking the ball back in, no use of hands, nice mix of cricket and football. Like Saif Ali Khan would say, "Aaj Pooja, kal koi दूजा यार." So let's have Pooja up over here, please. My very, very dear friend, and I'm so happy that you have done. I don't know how many wickets has she taken? 15, 16, 17?
17.
चलो बनिए का दिमाग चलो very good so we would like to also present to you some awards one second firstly I mean not that you can get any prettier but nice pack by Neutrogena just to you know pamper your skin and you know how it is and of course I know you like your sneakers and stuff so we got you some Crocs if it's not in your size you can come back to me I will figure that out. And also, we want this amazing hamper by Fab. Protein shakes and other proteins. And I know it's not very cold anymore, but I know you were freezing, but you still didn't stop yourself from playing and bowling and batting and all that. And you know, actually, maybe she doesn't want to share this with you, but she was very emotional after losing one of the knockout games, and that just shows that even though she just met the team, like maybe what, less than 48 hours ago, that this sport and winning and just competing means so much that it affected her to that. Like she was properly in tears, you know, and she's not the kind of girl who just cries like that. So I think that's amazing. And for that, we would like to give you an awesome hoodie by Purple Frog because I know you like that company. So let's get one of the hoodies up over here. Yeah, you go. तो we don't want you to go back to Bombay overweight. So I think आज के लिए बस अगले साल मिलेंगे. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Huge round of applause for her. And now I think the moment we've all been waiting for, which is, huh? Oh, yeah. So before we get to that, I know we had that little bit of a skit where you guys thought maybe that is a trophy, but yeah. Um, no brainer. I think woman of the final was definitely this girl that has been coming and practicing here. Kazim Bhai a few days back asked the players to reach here at 5:30. They reached at 6:15. She reached here at 4:50. She chatted for half an hour and then for the next 45 minutes she just warmed up. And me and some of my friends were standing around on the pitch and we're like, yaar, ye kya ladki hai yaar, kya? Warm up, stretching, ye sab kya chal raha hai? And then when we started practicing, normally it's very easy to set the field for a girl. You can either set on the leg side or the off side. It's kind of predictable. But it's very rare that you come across someone who is able to very confidently hit shots on both sides. And I think we all know who I'm talking about. Let's have a huge round of applause for Hina. Fantastic commitment and you have truly been incredible. I'm not saying this because I'm your friend and all. Like I've seen you as an umpire. I've seen you sitting in the stands. I've seen you as your opponent, and you've been fantastic. So it's not about just playing today. It's about the consistency that you have showed, which has reaped amazing dividends. So I'm sure that we'll be meeting a lot more on the field as well as off the field, and I hope you just continue doing what you do. Would you like to say a few words?
Thank you for your kind words, firstly, and very well organized. And we had a great time. Thank you for having us.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Tanya, can we have those? Yeah. So of course, I mean, these are essential sneak air products, which I think are very important, because we live in very dirty places sometimes. So I'm sure you'll find a lot of happiness using these. Also, a pair of Crocs. And a nice cozy hoodie by Purple Frog. Actually, I was supposed to present this to you at about maybe 3 in the morning when the finals were actually supposed to take place. And it was like 15 degrees, but well, better late than never. So thank you very much and congratulations once again. Le lo. There've been some amazing performances. I've had the good fortune of sitting in that chair, being highly pressurized by all of you, but at the same time being highly entertained by a lot of batting, bowling, fielding performances, and it was very difficult for us. Stats say a certain thing, but at the end of the day, there's a certain consistency which is also important. I think so many of the guys, one guy that comes to mind is Danny. He's always composed, he's lightning fast across the turf. I don't remember him getting out in this tournament, a lot of things. And some of your bowlers also unplayable, literally, which explains the 11-run target, 12-run target. But I think there's one guy, which happens to be from my team, who was really consistent in the field with his fielding and with his batting. So for that, Aditya and me, who's also a very integral part of Glam Slam, would like to have Rizwan up over here. Very, very well deserved, man. Hope I could have met you under happier circumstances, but having said that, you always give it your best. We play cricket together all the time. You guys come like once a year, we are here like 5 times a week, but it's always amazing playing in his team, playing against him. Makes me raise my standard, and for that, we just thank you because you just made this tournament so much more fun and entertaining just by being present. So thank you a lot, buddy. And we'd like to give you a few products. Some proteins, of course. You might need to replenish yourself after this. I know, not very tiring, 5 over ke match hai, but फिर भी. And we know you're already, you're well groomed and all, but we would like to give you some products by Skin Inspired. Here you go. Yeah, so enjoy yourself and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you. And now, without much further ado, the moment we've all been waiting for, I want all the members, the owners, everybody associated with Vivid Chargers to come up over here and collect what I believe is rightfully theirs. It's sometimes very pressurizing to be the hotshot team in a tournament and the team that is expected to go the distance, reach the finals, and win it, because expectations can be quite a burden, especially in the shorter format. The longer the format, the more chances that the better team on paper will win. But I think all said and done, you guys were damn consistent. I think the only bit of a glitch was maybe with White Lions at one point, where they really gave you a run for your money. But apart from that, you all have been like Terminators, just disassembling the opposition. For that, please come on up over here and claim the trophy for Glam Slam 2025 Season 2. Yeah. Why don't you tag Mukesh in there? आपने आपने कहाँ पे लगाया? तो इनको हाँ. So maybe we can just change the orientation so we get a nice picture. And
down
Tanya,
the down the
I'll give that to him. I have no voice, dude. I'm gone. Balance हो रहा है? हाँ. Take some nice on your phone. Take horizontal. 45 seconds. Pyro, please. Come on, guys. Well deserved. Make some noise for yourselves. Thank you, guys. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, Danny. Come on. Richly deserved. Zoom in, zoom in. Make some videos, make some videos. Okay, nothing is happening. चलो. No, just वो cuts में मिल जाएगा कुछ.
Love your Marvel collection. Oh,
Did you see
I took it from outside.
You didn't go up?
अरे ऊपर दूसरा है. Mad stuff.
Yeah, अरे of course. Boys and girls, very very proud. Honestly, 15 टीम में से अपन फाइनल में आ गए. इन दोनों के साथ तो हम लोग पहली बार खेल रहे हैं, है ना? हम लोग तो साथ में खेलते हैं. आई थिंक द अमेजिंग थिंग कि हम लोग फाइनल तक आए और अच्छी तरह से आए. सो थैंक यू वेरी वेरी मच. सॉरी फाइनल में हम लोग शायद वो रिजल्ट नहीं